Okay, I now have my task in place and I want to set up a predecessor for the tasks. I have my summary task built in. I have my project tasks built in, the name of my project. Okay, the first thing is I want to drag this line to the right so I can see my predecessor and we can make life easy. Now you can see the predecessor column is clear, and I want to highlight my vice line here because I need more space, because basically we will not need it now, we will need it later. So we go to format, go to under view, I can see my timeline. So I go to format, then view, timeline. I want to click this one now. Timeline is hidden. Now it's clear, I can see all my tasks, and you can see here the starting date is showing to be driven and to be finished as soon as possible. And remove furniture is my first task. Okay, this is the first thing what I will do. I want to link remove picture to remove furniture, which means in the predecessor remove furniture is number 2, so I will put 2 and I put enter. Now you can see in the Gantt chart that the first activity or remove furniture, it takes 2 days and finish, and it goes, you can see the error will go to the second activity, which is removing pictures, which means that removing pictures will start when removing furniture is finished. And I will do the same thing with the next activity, which is remove carpets. So I will remove the carpets when removing picture is finished. So it means I will put 3. You can see the Gantt chart starting linking to each other, which means they are in sequence. And when the room is empty, this is my milestone. So I know this empty room is calculating all these activities, which shows duration of 6 days. I have 3 days for carpets, 1 day for picture, and 2 days for furniture, so total of 6 days. So since room is empty is my milestone, so I will link it with the total days calculated under empty room. So in my milestone, I will link room is empty to empty room. So in this case, I will put 1, which means this is my milestone will be when activity, room carpets, and all of the rest are finished. So when my first task is finished, I can move to prepare walls and doors. So under walls and doors, we have rubbed on woodwork, and we have clean walls, and we have fill holes in walls. So we'll go to the subtask. Always use the subtask, not the heading task, because this will create a lot of difficulties for you. So I will start rub down woodwork when the room is empty. So I will link 7 to 5. And you can see here that clean walls and rub down, I want them to start together in the same day. So I will link 7 start. It means they will start, 8 will start with 7 the same day. You can see here in the Gantt chart that they start together in the same day, no matter what happened to the project. And now I can link fill holes in walls to 8. Oops, sorry. This is, we said 7 start, and this will be 8. Okay, now I am coming to the next milestone. So this when I come now to my milestones, I can link 6 to 10. Now you can see my Gantt chart. My milestone will be when these activities is finished. You can see here in my milestones here, it's 5 of November, and always the Gantt chart, it's taking the longest stage or the longest activity, and it will put the day for that one. So here it shows which is the last day of this activity, November 5th, and this is November 5th. Okay, now I can go to my next activity, and this is my milestone, and I go to under quotes will link to 10, and top quotes will link to 12, and I came to my milestone, which will link to 11. Okay, so when I'm finishing with this section, then I can start to do and replace the furniture. Now my room is furnished and painted, and it's ready for replacement. So what I will do here for replacing the carpet, I will just put the carpet will be replaced after 3 days of the painting, so I don't want my carpet to be dusted. So in this case, what I will do is this: 16 will be linked to 14, painting is completed, so I will put 14. When 14 is finished, I can start after 3 days. Okay, if you look into the Gantt chart, you see that my milestone is 10 of November, but you can see the 3 working days from 10. You have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 3 working days. Weekends is not considered. So these are 3 working days, and my replacing the carpet will not be replaced until Monday of 18th or 16th of November, and it will be finished in the 18th of November because it has 3 days. Okay, now I want to link and replace the picture when replacing the carpet is finished. So 17 will be linked to 16, and we come here to replace the furniture. So I want to replace the furniture and replace the picture to be finished in the same day. So I will link 17 with finish. You can see here in the Gantt chart that this one pushed back little, and they will be finished in the same day. Now I can link 19 to 15, which is summary of the project, and now we can finish the project in the 19th of November, as it's showing here. Now, if replace furniture go to 3 days, notice that the starting date of replacing the furniture is pushes back because they have to finish it the same day with replacing the picture. Therefore, the task is pushed backward. If I change remove picture or remove furniture to 3 days instead of 2 days, and you can see the whole project will be changed because it says in my test that it should be finished as soon as possible, and all the tasks are linked together based in the schedule that need to be happened.